In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com, a process that brings the best of both tools together, helping you streamline your workflow and collaborate more efficiently with your team. Integrating these platforms can transform the way you manage your projects and customer relations. Let's take a guided tour through each step to ensure a smooth and successful integration. To begin, we need to access your Monday.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Marketplace tab, which is your gateway to connecting hundreds of apps with your Monday.com account. Click on the Marketplace tab, and you'll see a search bar appear. This search bar is your friend, allowing you to quickly find the applications you want to connect. In the search bar, type HubSpot and watch as the results populate below. This efficient search function saves you time and energy, ensuring you find the right app quickly. Once you see HubSpot listed, click on it to begin the integration process. This action will direct you to a new window where you'll take the next steps to bring these two powerful platforms together. In this new window, you'll see an option to use the app. Click on Use App, which will open another set of options where you'll specify exactly how you want to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. This part of the process is crucial because it allows you to customize the integration to meet your specific needs. You'll need to choose a workspace and a board for the integration. A workspace in Monday.com can be thought of as a digital office where your projects reside, and boards within this workspace serve as individual project plans or tools for team collaboration. Selecting the right workspace and board is important because it determines where and how your data will flow between HubSpot and Monday.com. So take a moment to pick the selection that aligns most closely with your team's needs. Once you've chosen the appropriate workspace and board, click on Add App. This action confirms your selections and initiates the final stage of integration. By completing these steps, your HubSpot data will begin connecting with Monday.com, allowing customer information and project details to sync seamlessly. You'll gain the benefit of using HubSpot's CRM capabilities alongside Monday.com's powerful project management tools. This integration helps you better manage customer data, streamline sales processes, and collaborate across departments more efficiently than ever. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've connected two of your most powerful organizational tools. Don't forget, if you encounter any issues, Monday.com support is always available to help guide you further. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you make the most of your digital workspace.